Whiteout Survival Tips and Tricks. So basically for beginners. So technically, we can point out the most important things you can do when you just start the game. So of course is to focus on resource management. Resource gathering is crucial early on, so make sure you're constantly gathering food, wood, and materials to upgrade your shelter, improve your equipment, and sustain your survivors. The second one is to upgrade your shelter and facilities. Upgrading allows you to house more survivors, unlock new technologies, and improve your resource efficiency. Now, the next tip is to resource your survivors wisely. So, survivors come with unique skills, so go ahead and read those and try to recruit survivors who complement your team's current weakness. So, some survivors may be better at gathering, so you can go ahead and put them at the hunter's hunt, while others excel at construction or combat. Next is to prioritize survivor health and happiness. So, keep it in check, so both will directly affect their performance and productivity. You'll be able to find it here. There are sick survivors and resting survivors. So if they're resting, then there's really nothing bad that would happen if you go ahead and make them work. But if they're sick, then take them out of what they're working and let them rest for a bit. And finally, it's pretty much just balance your exploration and survival. So explore the environment, find more resources, survivors, and opportunities. But don't neglect your shelter. As you explore, you may come across useful items and hidden caches that are key to surviving in the harsh conditions. Now, those are some tips and tricks in Whiteout Survival for beginners. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. That's all. Thank you.